Hi, my name is Albert Godey, and for this week's assignment, I am reviewing a site that I chose to be a well-designed site, and I chose IMDb. I know the instructions asked for the filming to be done in 1080 or 720. I apologize, my monitor is actually 1440, so I hope that the size is not an issue for you. If it is, I'll in the future revert my monitor resolution down so that it fits properly. But I wasn't sure if the website would fit differently or not, so I wanted to keep it this way because this was what I found part of the design that I liked. So when visiting this site, as you can see here, this is the home page, and the first thing I noticed about the layout was the black background. Majority of the websites still use a white background which just kind of blasts your eyes with the brightness, and I hate that. A lot of websites are starting to adopt a night mode, but by default, IMDb uses the black background, so I really appreciated that. And then moving on from there, you have a header, which is very minimalistic, an overall menu, search bar, a couple categories to choose from, along with favorites and a sign-in. And then you move down into the links, and minus the ads, which are unavoidable, unfortunately. I appreciate the first section here that occupies the middle of the screen, where you have a primary display of the what to watch in February. But then you can scroll through it and you can see what's up next of those various options there. And I really appreciated how well this worked, and actually find the motion as it slides across the main display, and then the up next also cycle. I found that very appealing. So then you move down to this next section here, and I liked how it all fit well on my screen. Everything was presented as a chunk with nothing getting cut off that I then needed to scroll down to look at fully. So we have a secondary field here of just what's featured today, implying that this updates daily to kind of entice a viewer, I think, to come back and see what is going to be offered the next day and so on. And as you then start to scroll, even though you have all that information presented to you from the get-go, which is more than enough. I think most people visit IMDb with a specific show or movie in mind, and so they're probably just hitting the search bar right away. But if you're somebody that's going to start scrolling through, then you can start to scroll down, and everything's chunked, I think, very well to fit well on your screen. And you start to hit categories, what to watch that you can browse, or take a look at these picks, and then you can scroll through these picks, and I like that layout as well. Then you have more choices, and then moving on into other categories from there. And this layout stays consistent fairly well. And then you reach down towards the bottom here, and then you get kind of into recently views, news, I guess like pop culture stuff, birth dates and stuff like that. So I just found this very appealing for me to look at. Of course, that may differ person to person. The color schemes are well appreciated, not too harsh on my eyes, which is something that I've been noticing lately. I actually was told from an eye doctor just this week that I'm starting to have some eye problems. But yeah, this was my choice. May lack a little bit of color and design because of the solid black background. Maybe a kind of a matte, colorful background might be more appealing for most people, but I'm a little boring in that way, I guess. But that's what I like. So that's all I've got. Thank you for your time.